industry partners is Independence Title Company, and they provide us every month with things to do in San Antonio, well, in the greater San Antonio area for the next month. And so we just thought we'd bring some highlights to it this month. They've got some fun things happening. I'm Michelle Plazik with Realty Advantage.
I'm Kim Malden with Realty Advantage, and together we are Buy Sell Love San Antonio.
We sure are. And one of the things with Labor Day coming up, they suggest is to go on to foodnetwork.com and try a couple of their Labor Day recipes. So actually next week, Kim and I are going to try some in our kitchen.
So that'll be fun. They also suggested getting started on your holiday shopping, and this is something that I have actually already done. I promise I'm not an overachiever. But one of the things I learned last year when I did this is you buy those gifts ahead of time. Labor Day weekend is a great time to get some good deals. Buy those gifts ahead of time. Make a list of who they're for, what they are, and most importantly, where you put them in your house.
Yeah.
So you're not finding them for Valentine's Day.
Do you wrap them ahead of time?
No.
Right. I don't think I would
did
either.
that one year and it really messed me up.
I don't think I would either.
The next thing we found is the Comal County Fair. And I don't know if you've been to a county fair in a while, but you've got the petting zoo, you've got the food trucks, you've got the cotton candy and the roasted corn and all those fun things. It's a great family thing. And it's usually not terribly crowded, so if you're up for something like that, take the kids, go have a good time.
Yeah, it's at the end of the month too, so maybe won't be so hot.
Yeah.
Not like today. It's supposed to be 107 today. The other thing that we're going to do, which we're very excited about, is go to the Ford Parade of Lighting, which is down on the Riverwalk, and they've got floats that are made up with light themes. And I've never been. Have you been?
No, it's a night parade. Looks like a lot of fun.
And actually, we are going to send an invitation out to some of our clients who may want to join us for dinner, and maybe we would buy them a drink if they come and join us. We're going to sit on the Riverwalk and just watch all these beautiful floats go by. It is being held August 30th, which is a Friday night, Saturday night, and Sunday that weekend, and then the next weekend after Labor Day,
right,
which is the 7th and the 8th, and that's when we're going to go.
And that's just Saturday and Sunday. So, yeah, if we see you out there on the 8th, then say hi.
Anyway, have fun looking at this list and pick something to do.